Hello student, if you want to learn about what is power and formulas for calculating power in electrical circuits, then please watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle for such informative video. Power is a rate at which work or energy is done. Circuits that are a prime example of this, as batteries only last for a certain amount of time and we can get charge and energy bill which monthly based on the amount of energy we use over the course of a month. This is nothing but a power. Let us start by understanding the history of power. The concept of power dates back to the ancient Greeks, who were the first to describe power as the ability to do work. The famous scientist James Watt is credited with the invention of the first practical steam engine in the late 18th century, which revolutionized power production and paved the way for the Industrial Revolution. Power is measured in watts, named after James Watt, and it is calculated as the product of voltage and current. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Other common units of power include horsepower, kilowatt, and megawatts. Power can be classified into two types. First one is a mechanical power and second one is electrical power. Mechanical power refers to the ability to do work using mechanical systems such as machines, engines, and turbines. Electrical power, on the other hand, refers to the ability to do work using electrical systems such as generators, transformers, and motors. There are various sources of power, including fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, nuclear power, hydroelectric power, and renewable sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal power. The choice of power source depends on various factors such as cost, availability, and environmental impact. Now we are interested to learn the formulas how to calculate power. There are some derivations or power formula. First, as we know, electrical power is based on Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that voltage is equal to current into resistance, or current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. Now, putting this value in the standard equation of power, power is equal to voltage into current. So we are getting I square into R is nothing but a power, or V square divided by R is power. P is a power of the object or body. V is a potential difference between two ends of a conductor, and I current flowing through the circuit. R resistance offered by the wire. I hope you like this video. For such informative video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also watch another videos from my playlist. Suggest different topics which you want the next video. Thanks for watching.